that within us is there are two systems which work autonomous nervous system. One is the left, another is the right. The left one is called as the Ida Nadi, or you call the moon channel, or the one. Now the moon channel is the one that works out our desires. We get our desires through this left side moon channel. And the right side one, if you see it clearly, starts little from the second center, is the one we call it as, it's called as Pingala. Now this is the channel that works out our action. First one gives us desire and the second one gives us action. Now a person who goes to extreme on any one of them tries to go away from the center. For example, now we have in the West lots of ideas say about action. Now this is the right side, this is the left side. Now we have the right and left and the center in between. All right? Now if you are too much in the action on the right side, go into imbalance, it breaks the connection with the main. If it breaks the connection with the main, then what happens? You start working on your own this side. The connection, the control goes away. Once the control of the central nervous system is gone, you can become malignant, you can develop any diseases of that kind which are psychosomatic. Also with the physical exertions and all that, you can develop some other diseases which are more physical. Now going to extremes, for example, for ladies, I have always told, who are married ladies, I have always told about them, that they really work very hard in the West, in the sense their standards are so high, everything should be spick and span, and all the time cleaning, they have no time to rest. They have no time to rest at all. They must take out some time to rest and look after themselves as well. They should involve the whole family in the work and see that there is a little balance. It should not be that only the woman should go on working all the time for the household. Of course, homemaking is her love and her liking, but that doesn't mean that she should completely sort of get ruined with that. She has to use a balance. She should use some balances which are useful to keep her up, herself in the center. So, now, this is I was telling you about the extreme behavior of anything is not good. We have to keep in balance. When we come in the balance, in the moderate way, if we live, then what happens? That we keep this contact all the time with the whole. Now the Kundalini that is down below in 3.5 coils has to rise through all this. When she rises through all this, she pierces through your fontanelle bone area and you actually feel the cool breeze coming out of your head. Now, as I was telling you, now if you go to any extremes, you break your connection with the whole. And as you break your connection with the whole, all these centers which are supplying horizontally to our physical, mental, emotional and spiritual being get cut or get exhausted or augmented, as they call it in medical terminology. So the central part is the parasympathetic nervous system, which doctors have not reached. Now through this Kundalini, which is there, which is 3.5 coil, when it rises, it pierces through 6 centers, pierces through your fontanelle bone area, and when it pierces through your fontanelle area, you get your self-realization. As simple as that. This is your mother, individual mother, because she gives you birth, a second birth. And she doesn't trouble you, she doesn't give you any problems, she takes up all problems upon herself. She tries, but I have seen in some people, the Kundalini is very badly hurt, wounded, just all the time like a bleeding serpent, you can say. It's just moving up and down helplessly, trying to rise. It rises and falls down in some people. And it is such a sad thing that it works out in days together when the person cooperates to keep the Kundalini up there. But most of the people get it, and with little practice, about a year or so, at the most, they become masters. But within 1 month, they know everything about Sahaja Yoga and they know how to do it. In fact, you become your own master. You don't have to have any guru, you don't have to have any master. For this, you don't have to pay a single paisa. You don't have to do anything of the kind. It just works out automatically, and you can give realizations to others once you get it, when you become the master. But that is a quality which one has to achieve. If you achieve that quality, then only you can do it, otherwise you cannot do it. By talking about spirit, by talking about God, you do not achieve it. It is a living process of evolution. As we have become human beings, we become that higher being. This is the seeking today, and that's what people are seeking. They are not seeking something which has been said or done, but they want that beyond this what? And beyond this is the spirit. But as I told you,